Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Learn Engineering. In this video, we'll explain the 5 main cloud deployment models: public, private, hybrid, community, and multi-cloud. Let's understand how they work and when to use each. What is a cloud deployment model? It defines where your cloud infrastructure is hosted, who owns or manages it, who can access it. Choosing the right model affects cost, security, scalability, and control. Public cloud services are open to everyone over the internet, managed by third party providers like Google Cloud, AWS, or Azure. Example: Google App Engine. Advantages: no upfront cost, pay as you go pricing, easy to scale, maintenance is handled by the provider. Disadvantages: shared environment equal to less security, limited customization. Private cloud used by one organization only, hosted either on premises or by a third party, ideal for industries needing strict security and compliance. Advantages: full control over infrastructure, strong security and privacy, customizable for specific needs, works well with legacy systems. Disadvantages: high setup and maintenance cost, less scalable than public cloud. Hybrid cloud combines public and private cloud environments. Data and applications can move between the two. Advantages: flexible, keep sensitive data in private cloud, cost effective, scale using public cloud, balanced performance and security. Disadvantages: can be complex to manage, integration may cause latency issues. Community cloud shared by several organizations with common goals. Example: government, universities, managed internally or by a third party. Advantages: cost effective sharing of resources, good for collaboration, custom security for specific group needs. Disadvantages: limited scalability. Multi cloud uses multiple public cloud providers at the same time, no vendor lock in, you choose the best services from each provider. Advantages: mix and match features, example storage from one, AI tools from another, improved uptime and fault tolerance, lower latency if using regional services. Disadvantages: complex to manage, possible security gaps between providers. How to choose the right model? Consider cost. Can you afford private cloud infrastructure? Scalability: will your user base grow fast? Ease of use: do you have skilled staff to manage it? Compliance: do you have legal or regulatory needs? Privacy: is your data sensitive? Remember, there's no one size fits all. Start with what fits your current business needs and switch models as you grow. Wrap up. To summarize, public cloud is easy and cheap, private cloud is secure and customizable, hybrid cloud combines the best of both, community cloud is for shared environments, multi cloud gives maximum flexibility. Thanks for watching Quick Learn Engineering. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more cloud and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.